Hey guys, what is up? Mist here with another video. Now we all know the problem with AirTags is you can't really attach it to any sort of keychain, bag, loop, or anything without any sort of accessory. So today we're going to go over and look at these third-party knockoffs for about $3 US each. Stay tuned. If you guys like this video or any of my other videos, please leave me a thumbs up down below, and don't forget to click on the red subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified for all future and new videos. These AirTags can be purchased from AliExpress, and there's different colors. There's black, red, brown, navy blue, dark blue, orange, pink, white, yellow, and see-through. And as you can see, it is made of leather, and that's the one issue I'm going to talk about, where it kind of sticks out too much from the actual keyring. So it kind of depends on your preferences. I think this is mainly meant for your jeans and luggage, or maybe pets, but not so much for keys. Later in the video, I'll show you guys exactly, what this thing is made of. Now guys, we all know the AirTag is actually extremely well built. It's awesome and it just works. Now the problem with it is that you can't really attach it to any sort of keys or keychain. Like if you have your keys right here, for example, you see how the tile just basically has a built-in loop because you can actually, quickly attach it. Well, the AirTag doesn't really have that. So today we're going to look at this third-party loop case, which is made of fake leather, and it sells for about maybe $3 each. I will leave a description of it down below. Basically, to put it in the case, you just sort of unclip one end here, take off the little foam protector, and then you basically just slide the AirTag in like so, and you clip that in. And now you can basically attach it to any sort of keys or your wallet, not your wallet, sorry, but mainly you can attach to your keys, your belt. Basically, you can attach it to wherever you want. Now, the one thing I don't like about this sort of loop, I think this is mainly meant for The one thing I don't like about this sort of design is that it adds quite a bit of length to the actual AirTag. So I think this is mainly meant for backpacks, or basically meant for your belt or something. I just feel like if you go ahead and compare the size of where the loop would connect, you see how much is sticking out right there? So it's sticking out by maybe about an inch higher. So I just think that they should have brought this closer to the top. And of course, this is completely optional, right? Like you can go ahead and take this off. Like if I go ahead here and take it off. It's a brand new AirTag, so it's a little bit difficult to get it off the loop. I could basically take this and attach it to my keys, but it's not gonna look that great because it's just too wide. Like I don't think I can even fit it on my keys, right? Like in my example, I need something that's more compact. Now I did order more cases as well, right? For it to actually, that's gonna work better than this. But I personally think that this is meant for backpacks and your belts, because you have a much better chance, or like your, to be honest, I think putting it inside your backpack is the only best way to get it done. I'm going to show you what it looks like here on my backpack. You see here I have my laptop backpack here, and this is how it's I hang it right here, and it looks much better, just kind of more meant for a back. I can still use this zipper, right? I know they make actual loops where you can loop around here. Like technically I probably could have looped this around here, but I just like it, front and center. So when you play your sound, whatever, it's not actual hidden. Now, technically speaking, you could probably just put this inside right here, right? But it's gonna really make that sound much more muted. So the whole reason of these tags is to put it sort of up and visible, so if you ever do play the sound, it's much, much louder. And that's basically it, guys. A nice quick video. What do you guys think? Do you guys like the tag? Do you guys don't like it? Otherwise, let me know in the description below. And I did order a few more AirTag cases as well. Once I actually get them, I will go ahead and make those videos. Otherwise, if you guys found this video helpful, leave me a thumbs up down below. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button and the bell icon, and leave your comments down below. And I'll leave my Twitter down below as well. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.